Okay, so now the temperature dependence, we already know that PN junction diode is a semiconductor device. So definitely it will have a temperature dependence. So definitely when temperature is going to increase, the current flowing through the diode is also going to increase. So the current I naught is given by general formula. See here, it is K into T power M into e power minus Vg naught by eta Vt. K, you know, it is not. See, whenever you put small k, it is Boltzmann constant. Here you see it is capital K, and this capital K and small k are not same. Don't get confused. This k, what we have used is simple normal constant. T is temperature and power M. M is 2 for germanium and 1.5 for silicon. You might ask, how did they find the value of M as 2 for germanium and 1.5 for silicon? By experiments. By varying the temperature, they found the current, and they found out that M value is closely approximately equal to 2 for germanium and 1.5 for silicon. And Vg naught, you know, it is the forbidden energy gap voltage. And for germanium, you know, it is 0.785 volt and 1.21 volt for silicon. And you know, eta is the device temperature and Vt is going to be the thermal voltage. So, இங்க எல்லாமே constant. எது variable பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, only your T is going to be varying. So as you increase the value of T, you can easily see that I naught is proportional to T power M. La. So as I increase the value of temperature, my current is going to be increased. Voltage will be constant. இங்க பாருங்க Vg naught constant, Vt constant, எல்லாமே constant. As I increase the temperature, current will be increasing, but the voltage will remain constant in a diode. That you have to understand very, very clearly. And you can see that the variation in the voltage with respect to temperature is minus 2.5 millivolt per degree Celsius. So as the temperature increases, the dV by dt is going to be negative. So it is minus 2.12 millivolt by degree for germanium, and it is going to be 2.3 volt minus 2.3 millivolt by degree Celsius for silicon. So approximately we can assume they have standard thing. They have assumed that it is going to be minus 2.5 millivolt per degree Celsius for either silicon or germanium at room temperature. So which means that what minus sign என்ன indicate பண்ணது, as I increase the temperature, this dV by dt is reducing. That is what the minus sign is going to indicate to me. Per degree Celsius, how much voltage is rising. So 1 degree Celsius rise ஆச்சுன்னா, the temperature will come down, the voltage will come down by minus 2.5 millivolt. If 2 degrees is going to rise, the voltage will come down by minus 5 volt. So I think now we are able to correlate. So this is the current equation for your diode. This is the general diode current equation. I is equal to I naught e power v by eta Vt minus 1. And reverse saturation current increases 7% per degree Celsius for both germanium and silicon. As you know, in reverse bias, when you increase the temperature, the reverse saturation current is going to increase. So they have said it is going to increase 7% per degree Celsius. So for every 10 degrees Celsius, it is going to double. Okay, so if you are going to use this PN junction in reverse bias in a very high temperature place, there is every chance that the current is going to double for every 10-degree rise in temperature. So hence the temperature is increased at a fixed voltage, the current is increasing. So that is why we are going to use this approximation. dV by dt is approximately minus 2.5 millivolt per degree Celsius to maintain the current to a constant value. So current a constant, you should know how much temperature, even if it is going to increase or decrease, what is the effect on my diode. That you have to understand very, very clearly. And see here, at 25 degrees Celsius, how the current is varying. At 75 degrees Celsius, how the current is varying. Okay, you can clearly find that germanium diode can be used up to maximum 75 degrees Celsius. The germanium diode can be used, and silicon diode can be used up to a maximum of 175 degrees Celsius. And generally, in the diagram, if you see, the diode current at 25 degrees Celsius will be larger compared to the diode current at 75 degrees Celsius. As we have seen that the current is going to decrease as the temperature is going to increase. Okay, so because we have seen it is minus 2.5 millivolt per degree Celsius. So barrier potential, the voltage applied across the diode will decrease with temperature. So voltage decreases, naturally current will also decrease. Okay, that effect is seen here, 25 degrees, 75 degrees. You see how the variation in current is denoted here. And you see the forward bias current is always going to be in milliamperes. The reverse bias current will always going to be in microamperes. Okay. And this is the case for reverse bias. Reverse bias, பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, at 25 degrees Celsius, you will get more current. At 75 degrees Celsius, you will be getting less current. Okay, the same thing what we observed here. And you see that the current conduction in forward bias happens only after the cut-in voltage. So, இது அது வரைக்கும் 0. After the cut-in voltage only, it is going to increase. Okay.